What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and have had a fantastic was it Memorial Day this past weekend or so? Hope that was great for you. Today's gonna be pretty cool, pretty chill, really more of a vlog style, I guess kind of all my videos are vlog style, but whatever. We got to do an oil change on my GTI. We got to do an oil change on the Acura here, a couple of little minor inspections, rotate the wheels. And I also got a buddy coming over with a Honda Accord. We need to do an oil change, rotate the wheels, do a little brake inspection on it. And then I'll give you guys an update on the Forester as far as what's coming for parts. Hopefully sometime this week, if not the beginning of next week. So let's get into playing some tic-tac-toe with some cars here. We sure did. Alright, we're going to do a quick sweep and kind of get everything prepped. I still got a little bit of oil left over in my container. I need to put it into a used bottle so we'll have space for new oil because we're going to have a lot of that today. What'd you think, Squirt?
So good.
Feels good. All right, watch out, Squirt. Hold up.
Thank you so much, AJ. No problem, man. I really owe you one. I owe you a lot. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, man. No problem, man.
All right, that's one car down, 2 more to go. On a roll. other fluid levels and everything have been checked. I'm gonna move up here to the front grill area. As you can see, it's really faded. I mean, it's 2005, so it's old. Seen a lot of sun, a lot of heat cycles and whatnot. So what we're gonna do is take and coat it down with this Mother's Back to Black trim restore. Pretty simple process. You give it a good shake. Got a like an old rag or something, an old sock, rag, whatever you got. Put some on there. Go ahead and apply it. Let it sit. Let it soak up. Wipe off any kind of excess, and then reapply as needed. So that's what we're going to do now. Just for good measure, I'm going to go ahead, put another layer on. I can see in some spots it's already trying to like soak it up a little bit just because the plastic's really dry. Alright, so yeah, that's it. We'll let that have like a cure time, about 30-40 minutes or whatever, maybe a little bit less considering that it's super dry, and come back out and wipe it off and then reapply as needed. Alright, so it's been a little over 30 minutes, I guess. So I took my little girl on a bike ride, but the result is still pretty much the same. Plastic looks rejuvenated. This piece wasn't black necessarily, it was more of like a darker gray, but that swirl and the faded plastic look is now gone. Like I said before, I've used this stuff on the Subaru. I'm a big fan of it. It works. It works great, actually. I like it a lot. So the next thing I'm going to do is the rain guards right here, all the way across. They're just, those definitely need it. They're super faded, much like the front, but just a little bit worse because they've been in the sun, more direct sun for the most part. But that's going to wrap up the little bit of maintenance I need to do for this car. I'll have to hop on over to the Volkswagen here in just a little bit. Alright guys, let's talk Subaru for just a second. I have placed an order a few days ago. I got some stiffer bushings coming for the rear, specifically the ones for the rear diff, little mount bracket, and the subframe bushings. I got comp version, so they're super stiff polyurethane version coming for that. Tighten up the rear end a little bit. Here in the next couple of days, I'll be placing an order for the front control arms. I'll be getting the 2004 STI control arms. And also, I'll be placing an order for some coilovers. I think I'm going to go ahead and get coilovers rather than a strut spring combo, just because I've had coilovers on other cars and I don't mind a stiff ride. I like the way it handles. I really like the responsiveness of it. It's good to go. What next? I'll be popping the grill off hopefully tomorrow or the next day if the weather is prime like it has been today. I need to sand off whatever paint that's on here, go ahead and reprime it and respray it just to clean it up a little bit. I gotta finish the emblem, and later this week I'll be putting the air splitter one. I know I'm pointing, you guys can't see, but the air splitter that I had on several videos ago after I got everything installed. Turns out the hood wouldn't close because everything is sitting up just a little higher, and I think that has to do with maybe the subframe spacers and the new motor mounts that I installed. Either way, it doesn't matter. That doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to pull the scoop off, take some measurements, and mod the scoop the air splitter that I have to fit, so that we are getting proper airflow through the intercooler, keeping that intake air as cold as possible. Yeah, that's about it. That's gonna be in the upcoming weeks. Like I said, the stuff I placed should be here this week. Hopefully, if everything's starting to move a little bit more freely. Man, I'm so stoked about it, man. I'm gonna be dropping her down, tightening her up a little bit. Woo! Woo! She's gonna be fun on the corners. Oh, we're also sitting around 750, 800 miles, so we're getting super close to dyno day. I am beyond stoked about that. I really want to see what kind of power she's going to throw down. It's going to be amazing. But that's going to wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and tag that subscribe button if you have not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.